Hey there. Thought it'd be easier to just go through and do a quick screencast of where to find everything for this week and what we've been up to. This could also be helpful if you missed out on any of the Zoom sessions. So not just for those who are struggling to know where to find things. Um, okay, so over here to the right, it does have some assignments listed there. The only one you really need to worry about, this using DA1, we're not going to worry about it until we have access to our textbooks, and we might not even have it next week. So don't worry about that due date or anything. Cognates, though, is a quiz I do want you to take. It's a quiz. It's one question, and the answer hopefully is pretty obvious to you after you watch the video I made from in class about cognates. So I'll get to that in a sec. Let me go through the details. Number one for this week of 831, you want to review the beginning quiz vocabulary, and I'll show you where that is. Let's go ahead and go to our first few weeks tab. So when we get here, we see these announcements again. The cognates lesson is right here. So watch that YouTube video. It is a tiny bit longer than some of the other things on here, but it's where I go through and describe why we have cognates with German, what they are. They're words that look the same, sound the same, and mean the same thing, like a house or a Buch or der Computer. And so watch that thing before the end of the week. And then take the quiz called Cognates right down here. Practice cognates. All right, back up here. All right, the vocab I'm talking about, review beginning quiz, and on Quizlet or using Gimkit. The Quizlet links are right over here on this right-hand side. And the one we've been working on most is this beginning quiz, Quizlet. There's also numbers 1 through 20 that we're going to start to work on in class today and Friday. So maybe start to look through those Quizlet sets, but also you'll want to go and scroll down to the bottom where it says Gimkit First Week Challenge. This is just a game you can play to help you learn the vocab as quick as possible. In addition, we're going through these beginning notes. So what you want to do with that is open up the set of notes up here called Beginning Notes, Greetings, and Goodbye. And watch parts 1, 2, and 3 by Monday. That's really it for what we're working on in class as a group, is that vocab, knowing what a cognate is, and then taking those notes on letters, numbers, and basic phrases. I also highly encourage you to watch the children's videos down here, the alphabet and numbers 1 through 10, because we're going to be practicing those a lot in person, and that's just one thing that you'll need to do kind of on your own. And it's really tough. It seems it's awkward and weird to just practice it by yourself, but please try and do so so those stick in your memory. Okay, so that's it for up until next time we meet on Monday. Hope that makes some sense. Let me know if it doesn't. Danke. Tschüss.